Most voices that you might seem loud to you come from a place of love, patriotism, and trust, and therefore must be heeded. We must listen to our people and apply correction where needed. These voices are a proof that we are alive and well as a nation that is moving in the right direction. Our strength is our strong bond with our people, constitution of our country, democracy and democratic values that our people follow, and therefore we shall defend this bond and our democratic value to the hilt. My dear cadets, our actions are guided by constitutions and the national interest of Pakistan. You will appreciate that today Pakistan is, alhamdulillah, secure from military point of view. We continue to support the government whenever asked to, as per the law and guidelines of the Constitution. We Pakistanis have proved that we can do wonders when we keep our national interest above our parochial, institutional, and personal interest. Pakistan Army is proud to support the nation as it has always supported us, especially when we were fighting the physical enemies of Pakistan. You have been asked to stand firm in very difficult times, but stand you must. We must not be complacent so close to the finish line. In the end, I once again congratulate you on this memorable day in your life. At the same time, I offer my felicitations to your proud parents who are part of this momentous ceremony, which I am sure is a matter of great delight and pride for them. Pakistan Army Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad.
नाज़रीन, काकुल अकेडमी का दस्ता मैदान में आता हुआ एक खूबसूरत अंदाज में ये पाक कौम के अजीम माओं के बेटे शेर दिल कैडेट जवान अर्ज़ पाकिस्तान की शान है। इकबाल के शेरों की अक्कासी हैं, यकीन महकम अमल पहम मोहब्बत फ़ातिह आलम, जहादे ज़िंदगानी में है मर्दों की शमशीरें। हमारे जवान ये सिपाही रूह पाकिस्तान हैं। पाक कौम के ये शेर दिल जवान मुहिब्बे अर्ज़ वतन भी उन अजीम शोहदा की अक्कासी करते हुए हर पल हर घड़ी पाकिस्तान की हिफाजत और शान पाकिस्तान बनते हुए हर शोबे में अपनी कारकर्दगी पेश करेंगे। आएँ हम दुआ करें कि इस पाक कौम के अजीम सपूत हमेशा कामयाब व कामरान रहें। पाक कौम के सिपाही कलमत तौहीद की ही पहचान है। हमें फ़ख्र है अपने मुजाहिदों पर। पाक कौम की पहचान, पाक आर्मी को सलाम।